Hello guys, in this tutorial we will be talking about a hashing algorithm inside Node.js, how to generate hashes in Node.js with the help of this library which is object hash. So just go to your working directory and execute this command which is npm install object hash. So this is a library. We will be looking at a basic example of how to generate a hash here. First of all, just go to your project here. In the index.js you just need to include this library, so require object hash. So this is a library, so this contains a hash functions. So you can, with the help of this library, you can just create the hash for the JavaScript object. So this is a hash. Let me provide a value to it of foo, and let me just change this to name. So this is a object here, so we are console logging the hash value of it. So if I console log and print it in the console, now I just save this and execute this command which is node index.js. So hopefully it will print out the hash value of this. You can see that guys, this is a hash value of this object. In similar fashion you can also pass the array as well. So inside this hash function you can just pass some array values. This can be number also, floating point value also, and some other string. So this is an array here, so we are creating a hash of this array. So if I again execute this command, so it will print out the hash value of this JavaScript array here. So now we can even use the famous hashing algorithms inside this plugin. So sha md5, so there's a function for this which is console log. I will use hash.md5. inside this I will pass my object which is let's suppose name foo again, and I will copy paste it for the array as well. This time I will use the sha algorithm, sha. So if I save this, so it will, if I execute this command, you will see that guys, it is generating 4 hashes. This is md5 and this is sha. So with the help of this library you can just create hashes.